Hello, good morning subscriber followers! Samahan nyo ako ngayon at gagawa tayo ng ulam natin. Gagawa tayo ng octopus soup. So, ayan, nakabili tayo sa market ng fresh frozen small octopus. So, gagawin natin yung soup para medyo lumakas-lakas yung tuhod natin. So, start na tayo mga guys. Of course, yung ingredients natin, of course, octopus. Lininis na natin yan. Malunggay. I don't know how they call this in English. I think it's moringa. Moringa oleifera. Yeah, I'm not really sure. But I think it's like that, moringa. Of course, lemongrass. Ginger. Ginger. Tomato. Lagyan na natin. And of course, our onion. And I have also a spring onion, so I'll put this lastly. Okay, and I have also lemon. So we'll wait until the water become boiled, okay? So our water is boiled already. So by the way guys, I'm always keeping on reminding to you when you open the cover, just always go down there, okay? Not go down here, go down there to make it sure you are safe. So the next is our octopus. And then wait to boil again. Okay. So while we are waiting, so I squeeze this lemon while we are waiting to boil that water. Try this kind of food in your lunch or dinner. This is very delicious, very yummy. Especially, I have malunggay. I especially have moringa. This is a lot of vitamins. Okay, it's boiling already. Okay. By the way guys, don't forget to take out this purine. What's this? I don't know what the exact name in English for it. But this is it's not necessary to take out, but for me I take out this. Yeah. Okay. Yahoo! Yummy! So guys, this food is very popular in Asian people, especially Filipinos. But for the other nationality, this is not very, maybe they don't know what kind of food is. Yeah. So now I put the jalapeno, and of course I put fish sauce. Yep. I put the malunggay or moringa. Wow, this is very nice soup. It's very healthy. And then the lemon juice. Put some salt to taste. Wow. And then the spring onion. And then cover for a while. Yahoo! Our octopus soup is done! Wow! Yummy! So guys, tapos na yung ulam natin para sa hapunan mamaya. So ako po ay nagpapasalamat sa inyong walang sawang pagtangkilik sa YouTube channel ko. Salamat sa iyong panonood. So bago ako lumisan, sa araw na to, ako po ay humihiling kung sana ay nagustuhan nyo itong video to. Kung hilig kayo sa kusina, please subscribe naman, like and share. Bye for now!